BitConnect, what's up? BitConnect. I made a new app.
Do I need to download a software?
If you haven't downloaded it, I'm gonna be very upset.
Free app. It's a free app. I'm not even.
I'm about to start. No.
Not even
Meme coin wallet. Type that in. Oh, there we go. See this guy? Number 2. Who's the fuck? Who is above? Oh, it's an ad. We're good. Let's give him some screen time. Look, that thing. Don't download that. This guy.
Meme.
I go crazy on Twitter.
Meme.
Some screenshots I uploaded because they make you upload a bunch of screenshots. So what's the point of this app? Why did I make this thingy, which I'm downloading right now? There's a lot of people who don't understand crypto.
What are meme coins?
Like cryptocurrency, like the funny coins, like Dogecoin and stuff like that. No idea.
No.
And how meme coins work. And so with this app, you'll be able to invest in meme coins. Not that they're good meme coins,
We're about to teach you guys how to make money.
but you'll be able to find them on a mobile app, which right now for Solana, it's kind of hard. Everything's kind of mixed together. I don't know if you're familiar with Algorand, stuff like that, but it's going to be very similar to Para or Tiny Man, but Solana.
I'd be using.
Meme queen?
This is phase 1 though. Right now, there's a wallet. You can send stuff. You can create a wallet. You got your send button down here. You can send coins to me. But then make button. Make. You can make stuff. Making coins. There's like one place online that makes it super hard to make a coin. And there's a bunch of weird stuff and blah, 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 blah. But here, you click make and you don't click pool because pool is for making a pool. Coin, the coin one, you go on in, you add your name, your symbol, supply, decimals. That's how many like decimals the thing can break down into. And then there's your description of your coin. Revoke freeze makes it so you can never ever freeze it. And that's like viewable on the Explorer. If you're into crypto, you should know what that means. And then make immutable. That is a random word. You can never change it ever. Once you make it, it's just like poof, there. And then you can add an image. Once you do all that, you got yourself a coin. You can make a coin. You can send it out. You can do meme stuff. What is coming is there's a little gap in the middle. The swap. You will be able to swap between different currencies. So like right now, when you click on the coin, you see your stuff. You can manage pool. There is no pool, so it brings you back to the home. But it will be a full operational exchange. The code right now, we're just testing, making sure everything's good to go. Things on Apple you kind of have to release in phases, otherwise Apple gets stressed out and doesn't know how to know how to review the whole app at once. And the crypto stuff already, I didn't want that thing, the logo right there, that's supposed to be the Solana coin because that makes sense. But they're like, no, you can't use Solana's IP, blah, blah, blah. But the rest of the things, the rest of the icons, they don't have any idea what those even are. So we're good.
Have we downloaded the app yet?
We have downloaded the app.
No, not the N660 app.
This is just like any other like wallet. If you lose your coins or buy something stupid, it's my fault. I made the app. But I can't get it back for you and I don't know where it is. But that's just crypto. What we'll have here eventually is like a top charts for all the different meme coins and things like that. The whole advertising thing, that's like an interesting place because we want to support coins that I think are good and that are going to do well, but there are going to be people who are going to try to get their information, promote themselves and get on the list. So I'm thinking this list will be strictly a list, not something that anyone can invest on, to make this just a very simple app, not too much going on except for your life savings. And here, if you navigate to the settings page, settings page, located in the top right hand corner, you can log out. That's about it.
Coin wallet.
This one, Phantom.
But it looks pretty simple, but in the background there is so much software going on. Like, I'm gonna put the download link there.
No plastic surgery.
Meme. Coin.
What are you? Can you just do it for me, please?
You got it.
That's what it's.
Yep. Meme. Coin.
Oh, I forgot. So there's an in-app currency. If you've made your wallet by the time the in-app currency is released, then you'll be airdropped the coins, similar to how the other exchanges all have their in-app coin. You'll get less trade fees with the coin, but the coin will retain its own price. It's not going to be $1 coins. It'll do its own thing. And those will be airdropped to you when the full exchange is out. So if you have the app downloaded beforehand. Oh, okay. So there's this exchange called Jupiter Exchange. I've been Jupiter Station first. I don't know who. No one asked me, but I don't own Jupiter Exchange, which is like a decentralized exchange, same kind of vibe, whole 9 yards. I'll either have to buy them. I can't do Jupiter Exchange now, but I don't even really want Jupiter Exchange. We're not an exchange. We're a station. We're a place that builds, develops. I mean, like, if you guys want me to talk about coding, I can, but nobody cares. I don't care. I don't want to do it if it's terrible. Like,
We're going back.
who codes? Computers code. GBT only goes to 2021, as do most every language model that's built on top of that. Little software connector thingies. Then your system's all mad at it, and it can update a little bit of it, but it can't update all of it. That's just for making functions. Like the stuff to actually like weave it all together. You need a little bit more. If you like started from scratch there, but like one wrong typo and the GBT is going to destroy the whole function. Now you just ask the robot and the robot tells you something that doesn't work, but it's pretty close and it gets you to where you need to go. So we're faster. Download my app.
No, we're so close. We're so close. All I need you to do
Whatever.
is hit that download button or hit the get. Ah, that's it.